and force him left.
Ang meron ng Arellano, itong si Borromeo. 2 beses nang natatapigan mula sa likod nito si Borromeo, itong si Barba.
Oo, malaking bagay itong si Borromeo, defending ito si Ato Barba.
As we start our third quarter, Okotan from the 3. That's how you start your third quarter.
Ito si Ongotan, yung bumubuhay dito sa Arellano when it comes to 3-point.
Sabi niya, anong
Another
pinagsasabi
turnover.
niyo? Anong sinasabi niyo 1 out of 10? 2 out of 11 na ngayon.
Narinig ka eh, Nico.
As we see this shot from T-Mac, no hesitations off the pass.
And forcing a turnover again.
5 na, ang lamang ng Arellano. T-Mac looking for his teammates. Kamay drops it up to Borromeo.
Floater, wala pa rin. I see him running 2-on-1 fast break.
3-on-2 now. Versosa against the defense of Borromeo once again.
Another wasted opportunity there. 3-on-2. Hindi lang na-convert yung finish na yun.
Tuwang-tuwa sa depensa itong si Borromeo, and finally a floater.
Training that first floater this game. Side ball screen. Switch.
Kicks it out to Moralejo. That's passing there. Barba fakes against the defense of Borromeo again. Look at Borromeo. Forces Barba to pass. Want to shoot. And hindi naaabot.
Borromeo's hyped up right now, as he should. Kasi grabe yung depensa na ginagawa niya dito kay Ato Barba.
And he's loving it. He's
is.
loving his assignment today. 13 turnovers for LPU against the 3 nitong Arellano.
This is now the biggest lead for Arellano with 7.
As T-Mac misses, and we will have a report from Aaron Lee. Aaron.
It was a very passionate halftime huddle for the LPU Pirates as Coach Gilbert Malabanan did not hold back in reminding his players, kahit anong play gawin natin, walang mangyayari kung tapon tayo ng tapon ng bola. As turnovers were also the main emphasis of Coach Gilbert Malabanan in that halftime huddle, reminding his players that, of course, the point guards, yun yung mga challenge ni Coach Gilbert there. They also revisited film during the break, focusing on how they've allowed 28 points inside the paint compared to their 14. As the second half is underway, LPU looks to respond with focus, maturity, and cleaner execution. Back to you guys, Nico and Prince.
Thank you so much, Aaron. As Arellano now up by 7. Care of this guy, T-Mac Ongotan. And look at that play. This time from Mabiera. And that's the largest lead of the game by Arellano. 49-40. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Smile cam, now on your screen. Okay, smile lang, Prince.
Smile lang. Arellano fans siguro to. Happy syempre yung mga Arellano fans ngayon. Grabe yung run nila.
Yep, as we're seeing a lot of happy fans, smiling fans here sa Phil Oil Center sa San Juan City. Walang hindi magagamot yung pagiging masaya, Prince.
Oo naman. Best medicine. Smile.
Ang mukha nga, Lyceum nga. Mga naka-idolize ng Lyceum as... Pero dapat hindi eh. Dapat hindi sila happy.
Oo, pero kasi maaga pa. alam nila makakahabol pa tong Lyceum.
Well, right now they are down 49-40.
Pero yun ang nagiging problema ng Lyceum this quarter. Yung turnovers nila, kaya lumaki ng gantong laki itong Arellano 9-point lead dahil sa mga turnovers na na-force ang Arellano sa Lyceum.
7-0 run for Arellano in this third quarter. LPU hasn't scored dito sa ating third quarter, Prince. This is always the problem for Coach Gilbert's team.
At saka, hindi pa rin binabago ni Coach Chico yung lineup niya. Small lineup pa rin. And good decision yun kasi it's been working for them. So why change it? Because it's working.
On the third quarter against San Sebastian, on their double overtime loss against San Sebastian, LPU only scored 13 points against the 21 nitong San Sebastian. And for Coach Gilbert, you don't want to happen again.
Oo nga. As we're seeing, scoreless pa rin ang Lyceum ngayon. So tingnan natin kung may sagot na itong Lyceum. Another turnover forced by Arellano.
Iba-ibang pinapadala ni Coach Chico Manabat dito kay Ato Barba. Kanina Borromeo. This time, it's Abiera defending Ato.
Para rin nag-switch up yung energy ng Arellano. Kitang-kita mo sa kanila na very aggressive sila. Parang ini-enjoy nila yung defense nila
Yes, as Hernal fakes.
Ooh.
A point-blank miss for Hernal. Villegas, nauna na. What a shot! Tutukan na yun, pareho. Ongotan takes it out to Kamay from the corner. It's good!
Another fast break point there for Arellano.
Another largest lead of the game. 12 points by Arellano.
Forced to switch there.
Ano nang gagawin ng LPU? Who will they go to? Moralejo, another turnover? Yes! And look at this, kicks out to Kamay. And Kamay able to convert that pass from Imak Ongotan.
Medyo nag-rattle yung Lyceum ngayon. Yung offense nila disorganized. So, someone has to control the game. Itong point guard ng Lyceum, kailangan i-control muna niya yung game.
That's the fourth assist of Imak Ongotan as Abiera joins the party from the outside.
Umiinit na sa 3 points itong Arellano. From first half, one made lang. Ngayon, nakakadalawa na sila.
As Renz Villegas converts a reverse layup. That's the third three-point shot from Arellano in this third quarter after going 1 out of 10.
Strong move for Kamay. Smooth. Naileg.
15-point lead for Arellano now. Montaño pulls up. Daileg batting it out. Gives it to Villegas. Villegas drops it to Barba, and he was fouled on the way up. Bagsak si Barba rito.
Bad fall.
And look at this, Villegas dropping it off to Barba. Yung depensa, natulak mula sa likod pala nito si Jonathan Daileg.
Natulak siya
Look at this, once again, other angle. Ayun, nagamitan. Kaya dumiretso papunta kay Barba.
Hindi naman sadya.
How it's gonna be called.
Good sportsmanship there for Abiera.
Hindi naman niya talaga kasi sadya.
Tinulak siya ng taga Lyceum.
Wala naman siyang balak sa bayan on that drive nitong si Ato Barba. What a recognition from Renz Villegas on that play. As we're seeing a review here from our referees. Ang tanong dyan, Prince, paano yung tawag nun? Is it gonna be a foul, an animal play?
Kasi makikita na tinulak din siya ng Lyceum, so baka ma-overturn pa yung call.
Kung ano yung nauna.
Oo.
Nagdidiskurso pa. Itong ating mga referee as we see, LPU Pirates. That quick, they're down by 13 now.
So just a regular foul.
tinawagan pa rin ng foul itong si Renzo Abiera on that play. At counted yung tira nitong si Ato Barba. Parang nakaligtas si Dailag doon.
No.
Pero ibang angulo ng ating mga referee. Let's see. Barba can't complete. Abiera flying, missing. Ongotan gets the rebound. Second serving for Arellano. 10 to shoot for them. Ongotan calling a play. To the corner. Once again, another three from Arellano. Second from Abiera.
Grabe yung naging third quarter performance ng Arellano ngayon. Pumapasok na yung mga 3 points nila.
60 to 44.
16-point game.
This quarter, 0 out of 1 3-point field goal for LPU. 4 out of 5 from Arellano. Can they add once more? Abiera misses this time.
Na-excite dun si Abiera.
Moralejo pulls up. Misses. Gordon blocked by Hernal. And look at this. Abiera pulling from the outside. I think that's the first one. Here's the second three from Abiera.
10 points now for Abiera after going scoreless in first half.
Arellano really enjoying this third quarter. As Gordon quickly checks out of the game. Versosa papalit. Barba. Moralejo. It's a 29-7 run by Arellano.
Good help.
Since that 37-31 lead late in the second quarter by LPU.
At nagsisimula doon sa defense ng Arellano talaga eh. Napaforce nila yung turnovers. But if you're Lyceum, they have to calm down. One possession at a time. Di nila kailangan magmadali. Di na kailangan mag-rattle. Mas maaga pa. Third quarter pa lang.
Great save by Barba. Villegas to the corner. Moralejo. And he will step on the line.
That's turnover number 17 now for Lyceum.
Lyceum only scored 4 points in this third quarter compared to that 18 points by Arellano.
Pero Nico, most of their turnovers ngayong quarter, unforced eh. Stepping on the line, bad pass.
Geronimo. Now Borromeo. To the left side. From the three. Misses this time. Jonathan gets the board. Kenato Barba turn it off
Picked up the ball.
in this third quarter. Villegas 10 to shoot for the Gray Shirts. Villegas against Abiera.
Good
Now
pass.
Barba from the three.
There you go.
Finally for LPU. 60 to 47 by Arellano. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101. Here is the last shot by Ato Barba off that pass from Renz Villegas. Finally for LPU, scoring from the outside. After that 5 triples from the first half, Ato Barba finally trying to turn it up for his team.
Pakailanganin nila itong si Ato Barba if they wanna come back from a 13-point game. Ato Barba needs to step up and carry his team alongside Villegas.
Hindi sa nagkukulang si Barba. He
Oh.
has 16 points right now. It's the help he's been, he's been looking to.
Yeah.
Kabutahe now back in the game. Also Vinoya, Kabutahe can't join the party. Tatakbo na si Villegas.
Dangerous pass there.
Villegas, mag-isa rito.
Coming off a timeout, a stop, and a fast break point. Good sign for Lyceum there.
Renz Villegas with 10 points as Vinoya fakes.
Ooh.
Blocked there by Barba. But Kabutahe able to get it and drops it off to Borromeo.
Good presence of mind there. Not stopping.
That's a much-needed answer for Arellano. Versosa fouled on that attempt. Look at this.
So yung
Great
dangerous
pass.
pass.
Buti na lang. Madikit ang bola sa kamay nitong si Renz Villegas. And this drop pass from Kabutahe to Borromeo. Nag-aabang na doon sa gilid.
Oo, na-late doon yung help side ng Lyceum.
Another miss from LPU from the line. 9 out of 17, Prince.
Masama yun for free throws.
That's the right word, masama.
No, 52%. And like what you said earlier, Nico, is gonna hunt them down sa dulo ng game.
Another miss from Versosa. 9 out of 18, kalahati. Imagine, kung yung Sham na yun pumasok, that could have been a much closer
Another
game.
unspo, Nico.
Another one from Arellano? Or gumanti ba? Itong si Jonathan Daileg. Let's see here. What happened? Off the free throw. Vinoya boxing out. Doon. Sa batok. Ang tama. Ang tanong doon, kung sinadya bang rekta.
Oo, pero kasi kahit hindi sadya, basta tinamaan sa ulo. Upgrade to unspo na yan.
That's the first anspo called on LPU. Dalawa naman. Doon si Arellano kanina.
So nakakatatlo na tayo this game.
As Maverick misses on the second one, but they will keep possession here. A 13-point lead by Arellano. Ito si Kabutahe sa gilid. Borromeo fakes. More fake.
Abiera open.
Misses
Lord.
on Abiera as Versosa gets that big rebound. Balik ang bola sa LPU.
Pero ito yung pwede maging game changer para sa Arellano. Penalty na sila ngayon. So babagal yung laro.
But they've been missing on the free throw line.
Ayun nga. LPU has to capitalize dito sa free throws.
That's 10 out of 20. Kalahati itong Mintis.
2 of
10
6.
out of 21.
2 of 6 para dito kay Versosa. Swerte ang Arellano dun.
Geronimo fighting Kabutahe on the corner. 10 to shoot. Geronimo pulls up, misses. Look at Abiera, misses.
Ooh.
And the ball will stay with Arellano.
Hindi na-control ni Versosa doon sa rebound na yun.
Great effort there from the blue shirts. Can they make it on the third try? Look at that play. Borromeo, paligid-ligid.
Hindi nakita ng Lyceum si Borromeo.
On the other side, Prince Arellano shooting 66.7% from the free throw, 10 out of 15.
Yeah. And prior to this game, nag-struggle din Arellano sa free throws eh. Pero this game, medyo umu-okay nga. Medyo nag-improve na yung percentage nila.
As Borromeo sinks that first. Borromeo started everything with his defense.
Oo.
Mula pa kaninang first half.
Lalo na yung depensa niya kay Ato Barba. Pinapahirapan niya talaga eh.
And another offensive rebound for Arellano. That's their 14th offensive rebound. Ongotan, Geronimo pulls up. Umabot! Umabot! Para kay Geronimo. Bailout shot by Ernest Geronimo. Barba, under a minute remaining. Against Vinoya. Barba steps back.
Tough shot.
Versosa gets the board. And there will be a foul called sa isang LPU player there.
Oh, loose ball foul.
Si Villegas ang tinawagan doon. Look at that. Villegas, nahuling nanunulak.
Oo.
Ongotan selling that call.
Good job by Ongotan.
As Akop now back in the game. Villegas naman sa LPU. Uupo muna. Miller also will check in this game for the first time. Siyempre, the Sun.
Actually, crowd favorite to eh.
Yeah.
Si Miller eh. Every time na pinapasok siya, nakikita ko talaga yung mga Arellano crowd eh. Pumapalakpak talaga eh.
And what you want for him is to take advantage of that, you know, of the cheers.
Oo naman.
And make something out of it.
Yeah.
And look at that Cabotaje, misses. Versosa picks up the ball. Now Palingayan gives it to Daileg. Also a missing link in this game for Coach Gilbert. 10 to shoot for the gray shirt. Versosa to the corner. Misses from Peñafiel. He hesitates on that shot. Miller pulls up. Jumper.
Sayang yun.
He can't get that basket before the end of the buzzer. After 3 quarters, Arellano pulling away 66 to 50 against LPU Pirates. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101.
Lyceum has to have a good start here sa 4th quarter if gusto nilang makabalik from a 16-point lead.
Before the start of the third quarter, as we're seeing the quarter scoring, 10 points only for LPU, 24 points for Arellano. Pulling away 66 to 50 right now at the start of the 4th.
Quick turnaround itong 3rd quarter. Sobrang naging crucial dito yung naging turnovers ng Lyceum. Sunod-sunod yung naging turnovers nila that quarter.
Well, also the conversion ng turnovers nitong Arellano. 15 turnover points for Arellano against 1 only on LPU. And the 3-point field goal, Prince.
Biglang tumaas, no? Para sa Arellano. In the first half, they were struggling. Pero pagdating sa 3rd quarter, ibang story na. Pumapasok na yung 3 points nila.
Gordon now in the game. Together with Palingayan, Peñafiel, Abrigana. Gordon pulls up, misses. Versosa! Finally scoring for LPU.
Actually, kanina pa yan si Versosa being aggressive pagdating sa rebounds.
And look at the backs out. Dalawa ang binacks out itong si Versosa ron. Using the glass for a 3 3-point play opportunity. Ang tanong na naman dito, can he complete that 3-point play?
Actually, nakarami siya last quarter. Itong si Versosa. Finally made it.
Ang depensa ng LPU, in-stretch dito sa backcourt.
Full court na. Parang pagdating sa front court, wala na masyadong shot clock.
Geronimo,
Oh,
steps
snatch
back. Mintis lang doon sa tira na
Another
yun.
offensive rebound for Arellano.
Miller drops it off to Akop. Great find from Andre Miller.
Gordon manning the point. Pinilit, but there was foul.
Look at this, Kabotahe. Dropping it off, another drop off.
Pinit-pit pa eh.
Ganyan kapag kilala mo masyado ang teammates mo, Prince.
Kaya importante talaga na magkaroon ng chemistry eh.
Pag yung iba, hinto na yun doon sa taas eh.
Oh, hindi na.
But maybe because they're enjoying this game really well. You know, as Gordon makes the first one for LPU.
Pero Nico, mahaba pa to. They just have to make stops. Itong Lyceum ay gonna convert sa free throws.
Mahaba pa? O, punta muna tayo kay Aaron D. Aaron.
2 seasons ago, T-Mac Ongotan's basketball journey almost ended before it had even begun. Just before season 99 was about to tip off, Ongotan was cut from the Arellano lineup, and with a heavy heart, he had to return to his province in Bulan, Sorsogon. For a month, he tried to move on, but something inside him couldn't. Parang may kulang, sabi ni T-Mac. Then one night, everything changed. He suddenly woke up to multiple missed calls and messages. It was Coach Chico Manabat. Coach said he saw it in a dream. He needed to bring T-Mac back. Fast forward to season 101. The same player once cut from the team is now one of the Chiefs' main scorers and most trusted pieces on the floor. For T-Mac, every game is a reminder of that second chance, and he is making the most of that chance today. Meanwhile, McLeod Guadagna, spectating on the sidelines for LPU, will not suit up this season 101 due to a knee and ankle injury. Guadagna still has one last playing year. Back to you, Nico and Prince.
That's a timely report for Aaron D about T-Mac Ongotan, as we're seeing a much improved T-Mac Ongotan on the season 101. Maganda na yung play niya last season 100 pero right now, he has become the main guy for Coach Chico Manabat.
Oo, nag-level up talaga itong laro ni T-Mac Ongotan. Not just scoring-wise, pero he knows how to involve his teammates already. On the other hand, syempre, itong si McLeod Guadagna, nasa sideline siya, spectating lang, hindi siya makatalayo dahil sa injury. At dito talaga makikita na laking kawalan itong si McLeod Guadagna, a leader.
As we're seeing the bench points, 33 for Arellano, 18 for LPU.
Versosa bringing down the ball.
Malingayan to Gordon. Can he provide a much-needed point from the bench?
Yeah, playing quality minutes itong si Gordon.
Trying to be aggressive against the defense of Arellano. Look at Hernal. Trying to intercept that attack. Itong si Gordon. First shot for Gordon. Can he make it? No.
Kita natin sa mga actions, yung frustrations talaga ng mga coaches ng Lyceum. Dahil nga itong free throws sila, dito sila nagkakaproblema.
Second shot for Gordon is good. 1 out of 2. And right now, it's a 16-point lead for Arellano, 69-55. Can they sustain up until the end? Or LPU will have another run? And who's foul? Kamay versus Gordon. You're loving itong effort nito si Gordon.
Oo naman, syempre. Alam niya.
Limited minutes.
Yeah.
Pero kapag tinawag, try to get everything.
And that's how you earn minutes. Unang sa simula talaga sa defense talaga yan.
Technical foul on the Pirates head coach, Gilbert Malabanan,
Nako
for
na.
unsportsmanlike behavior.
Na technical po itong si Coach Gilbert for Ohotan and Arellano.
Zero for Tibang Ohotan.
What you want is to take advantage. Itong si Omar Gordon, coming from Toronto, Canada, pero native yan ng Giginto, Bulacan. Doon pinanganak sa Toronto, Canada. Sa Viera. Oh!
Asking for a foul there.
17 seconds on the shot clock.
Yuyuko pa sana at magkakape. Itong si Viera, look at that. But Gord, itong si Versosa. Oh! I think there should be a
Medyo
foul
may
there.
contact dun.
Geronimo, block
Oh, another
once
block.
again from Gordon.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Last time around, LPU had 9 blocks against San Sebastian. Depensa ang kailangan talaga nitong LPU to get back on this game. Ongota nahirapan. Borromeo has the ball now. 10 to shoot for Arellano. Swings it to Geronimo. Geronimo drops
Good
it off
pass.
to Hernal. And he makes it.
Good recognition for Geronimo. Now a 17-point game.
Peñafiel, 7 to shoot. Barba, free from the corner. All board. Masyadong malalim sa gilid. As Abiera,
Renzo Aguilera from Tibang Ohotan.
timeout muna. 74 to 55. Lamang pa rin ang Arellano. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 101, Building Greatness. Arellano continue its resurgence dito sa ating laro kontra LPU Pirates. Down by 7 on the first quarter. Now they are up here, 74 to 55. The largest lead of the game for Arellano. That's the last shot mula rito kay Aviera.
Also, Piero starting to heat up with 12 points already.
16 points ang lamang nitong Arellano University. And turnovers for this fourth quarter. Or
The entire game, 4 turnovers lang ang Arellano. That's quite impressive. Naalagaan talaga nila yung bola. Tapos buong season, averaging 17 turnovers. Yeah, season average for turnovers ng Arellano, 17.3. This game, 4 turnovers. Sobrang impressive nun. Comparing it to Lyceum's 18. So yun talaga naging story na tong game na to, kung paano nakalayo ang Arellano.
And look at this. Nagkatamaan doon sa itaas si Barba at Omotan.
Free throws.
Geronimo, picked by Hernal. Now Borromeo. He Hindi ma-handoff dito kay Abiera. 6 to shoot for the blue shirt. Geronimo. Hernal pulls up, misses. Check that. It's Abiera. Versosa to Barba. Barba, pipilitin sa ilalim. Tatlong Arellano, 4 pala ang nandun sa ilalim na yun.
Oo, medyo not the best shot there. 4 na tao, nagbantay kay Barba.
Yung 4 turnovers lang itong Arellano, maybe because Ongotan and Kama are doing a good job na orchestrating the offense. Ito
yung mga gwardya ng Arellano.
And look at this. Ito yung suffocating defense. 1, 2, 3, 4 blue shirts ang nandun sa ilalim to contest this Barba shot. Great defense from Arellano. Alam nila kung sino yung kailangan bantayan.
But if you're Barba, syempre alam mo, 3 defenders na sa'yo. You gotta kick the ball out to the shooters.
You know, I've talked to Coach Chico a while ago. Sabi ko nga, ang isa sa specific question ko, how will you stop Ato Barba right after that 32-point game last time around? Hindi sa walang masagot si Coach, ha? Pero sabi niya, ang bata na yan, magaling talaga. Pero we will do everything to stop him.
Yeah. Parang kanina, pinakita. They did everything. Tatlong bantay kay Barba.
And all game long, iba-ibang pinapadala to defend itong si Barba. Sabi natin, Borromeo on the first half did a good job against Ato. Nakita rin natin, nag-switch din for a time itong si Abiera. And look at now, it's Borromeo still with Barba.
They wanna finish strong talaga.
Gordon, nakawala sa depensa nitong si Abiera. 5:55 remaining in this game. LPU still in the world of trouble here. Paulo for 3. Can't make it. Bumubunot na itong si Coach Gilbert.
Medyo nire-rush yung mga shots ng Lyceum. Pinipilit nila yung mga tira nila.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Ang kapapasok lang si Dave Paulo. Missing on that first shot. Moralejo looking for Barba here. Barba takes it. Makes it. Could this be the start? Borromeo against the defense nitong si Dave Paulo. Now Ongotan. 10 to shoot for Arellano.
Fresh legs itong si Paulo, yung depensa niya.
Ongotan! Binavy pa! At Tioyo ang bola.
Foul.
That's a dipsy-do shot from Team Ongotan.
That's a shot eh. Ang time.
Let's see once again. This is the second time Timac doing this kind of shot. Look at that. Sinawsaw pa against the outstretched arm of Versosa.
Gusto niya yung mga ganong tira eh. Yung mga mahihirap eh. Check this, Nico. 13 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists. Flirting with a triple-double itong si Team Ongotan.
That's how you lead a team, Prince. Hernal offering a pick for Geronimo. Now Timac fakes. Timac drives.
Another
Floater.
one.
Misses. Gordon gets the board. But Abiera is there. What an interception.
Yeah. Tinatapon nila yung bola itong Lyceum. You know, the game's not over yet. They still have to take care of the ball. One possession at a time lang.
2 free throws for Renzo Abiera.
19 turnovers for LPU Pirates. Arellano converting 15 of that 19. But this time, Abiera misses on that free throw. expected a close game for this game, Prince. But Arellano has other things in mind right now.
Yeah. Especially nung third quarter, doon talaga nagsimula lahat.
24-10 third quarter points. Mabibitawan pa ni Moralejo tong bola. Naku, nasaktan yata. Parang natapilok pa itong si Moralejo. They are down by 20 here. Moralejo has 8 points in this game. Look at this. Saan napunta? Yung natapakan niya. Itong isang paa nitong si Geronimo.
Yeah, hope nothing serious.
4 minutes, 33 seconds remaining. This quarter, Arellano scoring 13 points against the 9 of LPU. But the big storyline here, bukod dun sa free throws, ay itong turnovers nitong LPU. Nothing is working here for LPU this game.
Substitution for Josh Moralejo.
Kasi starters nila, wala namang problema. Has 40 points right now.
Lion Paligaya coming in for
Yun lang
Josh
talaga.
Moralejo.
Free throws, turnovers. Tsaka itong turnover ng Arellano, 4 turnovers lang.
Yep.
Pero iba yung, alam mo yung iniingatan talaga ng bola. Hindi naman sila passive eh. To have that konting turnovers. Pero nakita talaga natin na hindi sila careless sa bola. They really took care of the ball really well.
Eto, tulad ng play na yan ng LPU, muntik mawala as Barba, pinilit ang tira dahil wala na ring oras doon.
Shot clock violation.
And if you're not throwing the ball, you know, you can always orchestrate a proper offense para rito sa Arellano. Now, they have 16 assists.
Yun yung nakukulangan sa Lyceum. Yung may mag-orchestrate sa floor, mag-facilitate.
Borromeo pulls up from the 3.
Anthony Bonavero.
Everything is working for Arellano.
Ngayon si Paolo naman yung mahawak sa ankle.
As another 2 Lyceum players now down on the floor. Let's see what happened here. Dave Paolo trying to defend. Naku, nagkapatiran itong si Omar Gordon and Dave Paolo. Parehong tama. Itong si Moralejo at itong si Dave Paolo.
Mandatory substitution for Dave Paolo.
Arellano looking to pull away in this game, 82-59 with 3 and 59 seconds remaining.
Simon Peñafiel for Dave Paolo.
Leading the team is Timac Ongotan with 13 points, 8 assists, and 9 rebounds. Almost a triple-double here.
All-around performance for Ongotan.
Ang tanong, hahayaan ba siya ni Coach Chico na makuha yan?
Oo nga eh. Yun, hindi, well, so far hindi siya sinasabi. Parang hinahayaan eh.
Dailig looking for Palingayan. Still not all said and done here for LPU. Borromeo asking for a travel against Barba. 5 to shoot. Barba kicks it out to Palingayan. Mawawala na naman ng bola. 2 seconds. Palingayan binaba pa. Doon kay Versosa.
You know, back-to-back shot clock violation na yan for Lyceum.
Well, that's the story of the game right now for LPU. All those turnovers, all those thrown basketball. Panira na, nawawala pa for LPU. Ongotan.
Looking for that assist.
Abera.
Assist number 9 for Timac Ongotan.
Reto Abera.
He's looking for it, Prince. Barba. Zigzagging. That's the 10th rebound. Ano, block? Oh, block na yun.
Parang pwede,
Nabutan ba?
parang pwede rin rebound yan eh.
Let's see. Saan ma-record yun?
He's looking for this one last assist.
Mukha kasing nabitawan yung Barba ang bola dun eh. Ongotan. Dancing. Spinning. He's gonna look for a teammate. And he
Wala na,
turned the
turnover.
ball over. Let's see. This assist kicks it out. Ongotan to Abiera from the 3 for his 9th assist of the game.
Okay, so 10 rebounds na nga si Ongotan. So 1 assist shy. 1 assist more pag triple-double.
So that's a block plus a rebound for Ongotan. Tama, no?
Wow.
Peñafiel. Look at the defense of Arellano. Dailig pulls up. That's an emergency shot na for Dailig eh. Ongotan is 1 assist away from a triple-double. Will they go to T-Mac? Borromeo spins. Turn the ball over. Aprigana to Palingayan. Hesitates. Drives to Aurigue.
Foul.
And there will be a foul called on I think on Binoya.
Pushing foul, number 14, Miles Bedoya.
Nakikitaan ko yun sa mga coaches ng Arellano, sinasabihan si Ongotan, isang assist na lang. Triple-double ka na.
Hey, you love the support.
Yeah.
And we expect the possession will start with T-Mac on the next one.
Pero pressure din sa teammates yun. Sana ma-shoot nila.
Andre Abba coming in for Miles Bedoya.
What seems to be the problem for
For
LPU?
Ryan Palingayan.
Their free throws. 15 out of 30 ang minimintis nitong mga taga-LPU. Baka mamaya may special session.
Meron yan. Another one.
Another one. Now Ongotan has the ball now. Is it gonna go for the triple-double?
Looking for that triple-double.
For your teammates, what you want ay gumalaw para may mapasahan si Ongotan. Here's
Oh, he
Laki.
didn't take it. Took it strong to the basket.
Will that be counted as assist?
Was that an assist?
Matthew Luggett.
Aurigue. The ball will stay with LPU.
Will Leonard. Coming in for Renzo Abiano.
That's still not an assist for T-Mac.
Pero isa-sub na si T-Mac.
For T-Mac Ongotan.
And that's still a great performance.
14
For
seconds on the
T-Mac
clock.
Ongotan.
Oh no, it's counted
It's
as
counted
an
as
assist.
assist.
So it's a triple-double now for T-Mac Ongotan.
Oh yeah. Ngayon lang nag-record sa akin.
Jonathan Jaime.
What a
T-Mac
game.
Ongotan has triple-double. 13 points, 10 assists, and 10 rebounds.
Parang ang tagal na walang gumagawa nun. Triple-double dito sa NC.
Look at the defense.
Look at this
from
Arellano
Arellano.
defense. They're not done yet.
And look at that. Oh, there's a foul. What a game from Arellano University.
Gonna love the energy for the Chiefs.
Second foul on Matthew Luggett.
And look at this. Still going for the dive.
Two
Itong si
free throws
Espiritu
for Lance
and
Ortiz.
also Kabotahe. Showing Coach Chico, sir, we are also accountable.
Yeah.
as Auriga makes the first one finally for LPU on the free throw. 87-64.
Imagine if ganito lagi pinapakita ng Arellano every game. Magiging contender talaga sila this season eh.
Well, what we're trying to say with Arellano, lahat binibigyan nila ng magandang laban eh. Even
Lahat,
the
oo.
top teams, even on the last season.
Yes. Kaya nga like ko sinasabi, pwede siya maging dark horse itong Arellano. Kasi even the higher ranking teams, pinapahirapan nila eh. Pero they just have to be consistent.
Yep. On their last game against Perpetual Altas, they only had 19 bench points compared to this game's 51 bench points.
So,
It's all about the team effort for Arellano.
Step up talaga yung bench ng Arellano ngayon.
At mahirap yun yung gumagana na yung starters mo, gumagana rin yung bench players mo.
Oo, sobrang hirap pigilan pag ganun.
And here's
Langit
another
again.
shot. Another bench point from Arellano, this time from Langit. Palingayan will try. And this could be it. Arellano bouncing back off that loss against Perpetual Altas. This time getting the win against LPU Pirates.
Grabe yung second half performance ng Arellano. Scoring 50 points all in the second half.
After this game, Arellano winning 92-65 against LPU Pirates. Coach Chico Manaban relying not just on Team Makongotan, but on the whole team.
Everyone really stepped up for Arellano, and it all started with their defense.
Team Makongotan with a triple-double here, 13 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists. Samaho ba na isang steal at isang block? An all-around performance.
All-around performance for Team Mac, not just in points, pero all-around na involved yung teammates niya. And ganun talaga, pag leader ka ng team, pag veterano ka na talaga, ayun yung mga kailangan, ganyang performance ka.